Currently, Umoor-e-taalibat department covers from the start of GCSE, typically 15 years old, through to the completion of an undergraduate or postgraduate degree. The age range is very broad. Often there are mature students that are going back into education or that are studying as part of their professional development. I wanted to seek beloved Huzur's guidance on whether there should be an upper age limit for Umoor-e-taalibat.
You can make categories, two categories, from 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. But there are some lajnah members who are of the age of 30 or above. They are still studying. That's an exceptional case. You cannot make a separate category for them. You can consider them as student or research worker and can be part of your students group. But there are how many? We cannot make another category of those people.